Thursday, still alive. Yeah, primered roof. We're going to try and turn it white now, along with the wheels. So that's the idea. Jimbo, my mate Jimbo, do you remember we did the Beetle a while ago when we were building the race car? Old English white for his wedding. Had a bit left over, so I think it's enough to do the roof and the wheels. So I think, yeah, why not? You know, it's a bit of a, it's not a standard Mini. This hasn't got the original engine. So I'm not going for a purist thing, but I'm still wanting a little Mark 1 feel. So I'm thinking a little white roof. People will like that. It saves a bit of paint as well for the other almond green we got. And yeah, why not? Sorry, it's my car for the moment. So yeah, and white hides things as well a little bit better. So not that I'm the best painter in the world, but we get that done. So yeah, I'm going to run over it with a bit of. Well, if you search the internet, people then say sand your primer down. Some people say Selly's up to 600 grits, maybe 800 grit for 2-pack. But again, I've got other people just telling me just to run over with 400 in the end. Work your way up and get to 400 grit. So I won't tell you which one I'm doing because, just decide for yourself. Everyone seems to have an opinion. I'm not going to say everyone's wrong or everyone's right. But if you read all the opinions, you're not actually doing anything because you don't know which one to pick. So anyway, yeah, let's rub the roof down, see if we can get it smooth. And then it's just a case of smacking it with a bit of Old English white. Let's go get the paper. Not that you can tell, but I've gone over that in magical paper, sandpaper. Not going to tell you the grit because it'll be wrong. It's easier not to say. Just trying to make a bit more space around the car. I've been tripping up things, going around. We just blow the dust off. We'll go over with a panel wipe, then we'll work out mixing up some paint to see what we got. I don't know where the airline's gone. I'm going to stand on some axle stands, a car ramp I think. Maybe give me a bit more height. And we can get further across. I'm not going to bother trying to lean the car over at this late stage. It's all going to be a wild ball ache. So yeah, come back in a minute and see if you can see a white roof, if it looks any different.
Alrighty, I've got my mask on, so you can't hear me very well. Yeah, I've done about 4 or 5 coats. I don't really know how thick I'm putting it on though, to be honest, so it could only be really 2 coats, but it's free paint from Jimbo, so I thought might as well mix it all up. It was easy, it was in a tin, but yeah, in hindsight mostly too much. We'll do one more coat and we're just going to have to quit, and we'll come back in the morning and see what it looks like. Matthew, I am your father. Yeah, wow. Yeah, cool.
It's morning. Let's go inside the garage and see what things are looking like. You and me seeing this for the first time. Bang my head in the garage. Wow, I like the look of that already. Cling, 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 cling. Okay, I can definitely see bits laying in it. But what do you expect in a garage that's got leaves and crap, which I should have tidied up? So please judge me on my surroundings, don't judge me on what I'm actually doing. But I think I've got enough layers on it. Obviously it's really hard to tell. Let me try and clean your eyeballs. It's very hard to see whether it's good or not. You can see there, you know, a little bit of crap, but bloody me, I am fairly impressed with myself. I don't know if you can see, I wouldn't call it orange peel. Wow, for a job, for me doing this, and the speed I took, what's it going to look like in 2 weeks time, 5 months time, who knows. But some of these little dirt bits, get a little bit of, I think you can get like 1,000, 1,500 wet and dry, just knock the tops off them and polish it back up again. That's the benefit, I think, of these sort of paints. But yeah, looking good. I wonder what these wheels look like that are carefully painted on the floor. Yeah, again, they are what they are. They're a hell of a lot better than looking at a standard steel wheel. As always, could have knocked lots of little bits off and more filler primer and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I'm happy with that. They have a bit of a shine to them. They're going to look lovely with a bit of a brand new rubber on them. Excellent. I'm well impressed today. Again, must thank Jimbo for donating the Old English White. Otherwise I might have had to buy some. So let's just take this off, because I want to. Take it off while you're here. As I said, I'm going to paint the outside of the gutter. In the iron green. So I've left it. That's not too bad. You know, it's well masked. I've sort of obviously, there's a slight bit of white that's sort of built up just at the very top of the gutter, but we'll let that go off. Well, I think it's off anyway. But we can always just sand that off a little bit anyway, because that's going to be painted green anyway. Anyway, I think you guys won't be able to see it until you see it in the flesh. But as long as the paint stays on when I drive down the road, I think I've done a fairly good job on the roof. Yeah, give me feedback, you know, like I said. A bit hard to tell how good a job I've done just from an iPhone camera. But, and obviously, I'm not going to say painting's easy, but certain colours are definitely easier, maybe not to paint, but to give a good finish, or better finish. And white / Old English White is one of the better colours to paint. It hides up multiple things. If this was black, it would be a lot worse. But also remember, this is a brand new roof. The only dents that were in this roof are the ones that I put in it, spot welded it, which was me just being stupid. So, obviously you can see I'm not in my work clothes, and I shouldn't be doing this because I said I'll just come out to get some cardboard. Oh, that's good. I think, did I see some scratches there? You know, I've painted before and I've ended up thinking straight away you could see sort of, you know, your rub down marks from before. Obviously that's why I've done things badly. At the moment, not that I can call this daylight, but I can't see many, if any. I thought I saw one just now, but obviously it must have been where maybe I've just made a deep gouge and I didn't spot it. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. Brilliant. Alright, I'm going to work. Cheers, Jimbo, again. Yeah. Lovely.